Hi, this is Marco. I'm a physiotherapist, and that's Wilson, my colleague. If you're over 60 and you're struggling with low back pain, this video is for you. Maybe you've been told that your pain comes from arthritis, from a bulging disc. The truth is that in most cases, your low back pain is caused by loss of mobility, for sure, and also loss of muscles, which is also known as sarcopenia. So that's why in these exercises I'm going to give you the possibility to increase your muscles, to improve your strength and also increase your mobility, but in the right way. So let's start with the first exercise. The first exercise, it's a gentle mobility exercise called pelvic tilt. You just need to lay down like this. You bend your knees, you keep your feet flat, and you need to flatten the lumbar spine. So how do we do it? As you see, we have like a curvature here. What we need to do is to flatten the lumbar spine and then reverse the movement. We inhale. When we exhale, we do this movement with the pelvis. Then we inhale. When we exhale, this is the movement. I'm going to do it with the hands so that you can understand. We inhale, and when we exhale, the pelvis does this movement. You can keep this position for 2-3 seconds and then reverse the movement. This is a gentle stretch which is going to help you to mobilize the lumbar spine. You can do it 10 times and you can do 3 sets of 10. Then what's the other exercises? What are the other 2 exercises you can do? The first one is a piriformis stretch, but done in a specific way, because sometimes as we get older, we lose mobility. So how do we stretch the piriformis in a good way? We are going to do it seated like this. Let's say we want to stretch the right piriformis. Then you'll do the same in the other side as well. So you cross the right leg over the opposite knee like this. If you can get this position, there is a way. You just need to extend the other knee, and of course you can do it. So if you don't get this, you can extend the knee. But if you can place the other knee at 90 degrees, it's fine like this. If it's difficult for you, just extend the knee of the foot which is touching the floor. Then we just need to push away the knee from us like this. And if you don't feel anything, there is another way to increase the tension, to increase the stretch in the piriformis muscle. You need to feel tension, of course, in this case, in the right piriformis. So if you don't feel anything, just pushing away the knee from you, you can keep your lumbar spine straight and lean forward a little bit. Don't do this, but just keep straight your lumbar spine and lean forward. Reach for a tension point, keep it for 10 seconds, then you breathe in, you breathe out, you lean forward some more, you keep it for 10 seconds, then you breathe in, you breathe out, you lean forward some more, and you keep the last tension point for 10 seconds. And then slowly you go back to the neutral position. Okay, you can do this exercise in both sides. You should do this exercise in both sides. I only suggest you to do it in one side if you have sciatica, but that's not the case if you're watching this video, I guess. So what's the other exercise? This is a really great exercise to strengthen your muscles in a good way, your core muscles. It's called glute bridge. I always speak about the glute bridge because it's really a great exercise. You can start by doing this exercise in the basic version, which is like this. You bend your knees, you keep your feet flat, you keep your chin down, stay with your hands like this so that they can help you to lift the pelvis. Then you breathe in. When you breathe out, you lift the pelvis, and then you go down. So you breathe in. When you breathe out, you lift the pelvis, and then you go down. Do it 10 times consecutively. And when you do the last rep, just keep this position for 10 seconds. This is going to help you to strengthen your core muscles, but also to give some stability to your lumbar spine, okay? And then you go down after 10 seconds. Do 3 series of 10 reps. That's it for this video. Like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.